Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to give you a little quick tip here on my John Deere bagger system here. If you don't have one, you should get one. If you have a lot of leaves in your yard, this works really well. I got mine on Facebook Marketplace for under 150 bucks. They're really cheap on there. Just take a look and buy one, and they work great. This is for a 48-inch mower deck. There's one very important step. I'm not showing the other videos, but you have to do this step. It'll save your mower deck. I'll show you how to do at the end of this video. Stay tuned. And the only difference between a 48 and a 42, this piece in the back is the same. This tube here will be different. This will be a different opening on this tube here, so you got to buy the right one, 42 or a 48. Yeah, you got to have a set of these blades right here. These are made by 810. I'll put a link in the description below where I bought them. Have a look. Make sure you buy the right set for your mower decks, 48 or 42. And these ones here, they work awesome. They mulch up the grass and the leaves really well, and they high lift, and they work well for this bagging system. And even when the bag gets plugged up, they'll mulch it all up. Then you clean the bag and you come back, pick it all up after. They work really well. I have a video on how to install this bagging system. Have a look in the description below. I'll post a link there. As you see, these leaves are half dry, some are wet. So I'm going to run the mower over them. You'll see how good it picks them up. When I use this bagging system, the throttle is full throttle. So that's the way to do it. So you'll see the back end of the mower. This fills this side up first, and then it'll start filling that side up. Fills this back first, if you see that. So on this side here, I'll be tapping the bag there on this side I'll be using my right hand. I'll tap it, and when it gets full, it'll get hard like that. I'll leave it like that, let it plug up, and I'll keep mulching it all up the leaves. I'll unload this, and I'll come back and pick up the rest. Then it'll be, I could put more in because it'll be already mulch up, and then when I go again, I'll mulch it up again a second time. So I'm going to unload this. I'll show you how to do that. I picked up some more leaves. I filled it right up, and it's filled up and plugged up. I just ran it a few more times to mulch up the leaves, and I'll go again, pick it up after I clean all this. But I'm going to show you how to unload this and clean up your chute when it's plugged. So I'm going to open this up there. And all you do is whip up on this. Comes right out. Like that. Put it back in here. Put it back again. That's plugged up here, so I'm going to take this off here. Push this down, unlatches this. So you push this up in there in the bagger, and then you can see it's all plugged up. So all I do is put my hand down here, throw it out, grab it like that and chuck it away just as far as you can, and that will be fine. So there might be a little bit left over in here, but as soon as you start your mower, it'll shoot it out in here. So that's good. Just plug that up in here. There's a notch in here. Just put the strap back on. That's good. Like I say, if the leaves are a little bit wet, it'll plug up faster. So sometimes I grab the tube and I yank it out, and I put my hand in here, and I can see the leaves going in there, and then I know it's not plugged up, so I shove it back in. And so another thing, when it's plugged up, I'll know the motor will start to bog a little bit, because it's just it's mulching it up, the leaves right there, and it's leaving it right on the ground, which is okay. I can go around a few more times like that. I'll empty out the bagger and come back and pick it up later. This is the last step here. This is a must. If you don't do this step, your mower deck could rust over winter, so this is very important for you to do this. So you can take compressed air and blow it, or you can take a leaf blower, blow all the leaves on top of your mower. Oh, it's all nice and clean in there. Good. I clean in here too, underneath the mower deck too. Alright, if you like this video, put a thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.